Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet another tutorial here. My name is Emmanuel Elua, and today we are going to be treating a very important issue that several persons have faced. And if you're likely one of those persons who you're facing this issue, today we are going to be walking through how to fix this problem. So today we are going to be looking at how to fix the issue error establishing a connection with database. So remember in the last tutorial we created a website, like a dummy website, that we're going to be using throughout the duration of this tutorial, and it was hosted at localhost/tutorial, right? So now when we click on it, we have this error pop up that says error establishing a database connection, which actually means that your WordPress core file is having problems establishing a connection with your MySQL database. And it could be one or two things. Number one, it could be that your database has been corrupted, or your your password is incorrect, or the username is incorrect, or the database you have on your WP config file has an issue. So the things that you can do right now to troubleshoot for this is to I think the band-aid, or the fastest means to do that, is to change the user permissions and everything to be sure. So now for as a beginner, what I'll just advise you to do is to just go straight to your htdocs, your WordPress file, which for us we have it saved as tutorial, and we edit, right? You can use any text-based editor to edit and find out what the issue is. So you're now going to cross-check what's your database what's your database name, is it correct? What's your username, is it correct? Right? So you're going to go through all these things. Now in some instances you might find out that, okay, I made a mistake, probably the apostrophe mark isn't there, or something is out of place, right? So if you can go through this thing step by step, it's more or less like trying to solve the issue step by step basis, because you're trying to rule out possible scenarios or possible circumstances that would lead to this, right? So here, what we can do, a band-aid, like I said, a band-aid approach to it is to just change the details for your username here, which we can get as privileges. Okay, so let me go back to database and we look for tutorial. So on the tutorial we have privileges. So right here on the privileges, I can go to tutorial and say, I want to change the privileges, right? I want to change the privileges. So let's do that. Okay. This is not where we change the password. So okay, change the password. Can now generate a new password, and right. Let's copy this password and say go. So we've changed the password, and what we're going to do, we are going to be making amendments to this WP config file, which we can get here, right? So all I'm going to do, all this information is correct, the database name and database username. So all I'm going to change is this, and be mindful of the apostrophe so you don't take something out of place, right? So I can now hit save. I can now hit save and say, okay, I'm going to reload and see what it gives me. So now it's reloaded and you can see the website is back. All right, I hope this helps you solve any issue you're facing regarding database connections. And if you want more of these tutorials, let me know in the comment section, and let me know the kind of tutorials you want to see in future, and I'll do my best to create a video or a tutorial for that. Yeah. All right, cheers.